Hello, welcome back to the Marc Drouinaud Show, the tech show about hacking. In this video, I'm gonna cover the crazy Blender add-on that takes animation to a whole new level. Animation art is not gonna be the same because of this new Blender add-on. I'm gonna cover all the key details that you're gonna wanna know. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So even 3D modeling software is using AI art generators.
Are you serious?
Stability AI has introduced a stability for Blender tool that, as the name implies, brings stable diffusions image creation tech to the open source 3D tool. You can create AI-based textures, effects, and animations, whether using source material from your renders or nothing more than a text description. You may not need to be or hire a skilled 2D artist to put the finishing touches on a project. Stability for Blender requires an API, which is a programming interface key, and an internet connection, but it's free to use. It doesn't require any software dependencies or a dedicated GPU. This might help if you need to complete some texture or video work on a laptop that isn't as robust as your main workstation. The addition theoretically saves time and money and might help streamline your work. It can also help you make truly custom content, Stability says. It's safe to say that this may be useful if you were already planning to use AI-generated art, as it could save you jumping between apps and services. So this is a game changer in the animation art space. I want to know your opinion. What do you think? Do you think it's worth using? I want to know your opinion. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I love you. Stay safe. See you in the next video.